This 1967 Chevrolet Camaro SS Convertible is a beautifully restored and modified classic that combines vintage muscle car styling with upgraded performance. Finished in a striking blue paint with white stripes, this Camaro features an RS-style grille with concealed headlights, SS badging, a cowl induction hood, and both front and rear spoilers that enhance its aggressive look. A manually operated blue soft top with a glass rear window complements the exterior, giving it a timeless appeal. Chrome accents on the bumpers, window trim, and rocker panels add to the car's classic muscle car charm. While the body remains in great condition, there are minor imperfections such as a few dings on the hood, a paint crack near the trunk hinge, and some corrosion in the passenger side quarter panel wheel well. Rolling on silver 15-inch rally wheels with chrome trim rings and BF Goodrich radial TA tires, this Camaro is built for both style and performance. The suspension has been upgraded with rear air shocks, urethane bushings, a radius rod, and a heavy-duty sway bar for improved handling. Power steering with a fast ratio gearbox ensures precise control, while power-assisted four-wheel disc brakes provide strong stopping power. The emergency brake, however, is noted to be weak. Inside, the cabin is upholstered in blue vinyl with white stripes on the front bucket seats and rear bench, creating a classic yet sporty feel. The Z23 interior decor group adds bright pedal trim, while a Kenwood cassette player, a 400-watt Alpine amplifier, and a Kenwood 10-disc CD changer bring a mix of vintage and modern audio options. Other features include a heater defroster and lap seat belts. Some minor issues are present, such as rear side windows that require assistance to move and a CD tray that sticks. The 3-spoke rosewood grain steering wheel sits in front of a 120 miles per hour speedometer and a 7K RPM tachometer with a 5K RPM redline. Additional gauges for voltage, coolant temperature, fuel level, and oil pressure are housed in the center console ahead of the Hurst shifter. The odometer shows 29K miles, with approximately 3K added by the current owner. The clock is non-functional. Under the hood, this Camaro is powered by a replacement 396Ci L78 V8 engine that has been enhanced with ported and polished rectangular port cylinder heads, roller rockers, and pump-up lifters. A Holley 780 carburetor, Mallory Unilite distributor, ribbed Mickey Thompson valve cover, and cast iron exhaust manifolds contribute to its high-performance setup. A dual exhaust system with chrome-tipped rear exits ensures a deep, aggressive sound. Power is delivered to the rear wheel through a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission with an overdrive 5th gear, a high-performance clutch, and a posi-traction differential with a 3.41 final drive ratio. This combination provides both strong acceleration and comfortable cruising capabilities, making this 1967 Camaro SS Convertible an excellent blend of classic styling and upgraded performance.